Now talking about Besharam, a few of the dialogues which I personally enjoyed very much was that हमारे धंधे में गलती एक ही होती है, and then you say that मौत मुझे क्या पता नहीं है, पिक्चर मैं भी देखता हूँ, you know the way you say suddenly एक बहुत ही कस के उसमें हंसी आती है. You enjoyed that
यार क्या है ना, किस्म की फिल्म मैंने की है. They're all the underdog coming of age characters. This is the first film that I'm actually trying to play hero. It's larger than life. It's dialogue बाजी, जो एक कदर होती है dialogue बोलने की. To play a hero, it's very hard because it doesn't come naturally to me. So I had to have a lot of self-belief, and Abhinav had to give a lot of confidence to me to play that. Yes, it is over the top, it is repulsive, the character, it is vulgar. We are trying to project that, through this character. His name is Bubbly. But through the course of the movie, you realize that, what he is. ये जो बेशरम word है, it's not कि आप कपड़े उतार के लोगों को embarrass करो. It's not that kind of बेशरम. It's the attitude, बेशरम सुनो सबकी करो मन की. It's that kind of बेशरम we're trying to show with this film. तो हार्ड तो था, when सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन say dialogues, उनको कदर है डायलॉग की. When they say it, people believe it, तालियां पड़ती है. तो it comes with time, it comes with experience. Right now, when I punch somebody, I don't think he will go flying 100 feet away. क्योंकि मेरे पास वो तजुर्बा नहीं है, मेरे पास वो personality नहीं है, वो screen persona नहीं है. But it'll come with time. So I'm starting to build it with Besharam.
Why do you say that ये persona नहीं? Why do you say that?
Because it comes with time. I'm sure when somebody starts out in their career, it takes time to actually build that. That star persona. So I'm starting building it, but hopefully, I will realize with this film how much people are accepting me in this kind of character and this kind of world.
You're also talking about कि impression अच्छा पड़ता है and all that stuff, padding होना चाहिए and all that stuff. Now that is something which is, I think, I've heard that suddenly जो सॉक्स की सेल है वो किसी और पर्पस के लिए ज़्यादा आजकल ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है.
अच्छी बात है. हमने तो एक
and Ranbir Kapoor is just attributed to that.
So you should tell the socks people to call me and I will probably be their brand ambassador.
Brand ambassador of what?
Of socks. But yeah, I mean,
very fitted access.
It's great, when things like this work, people talk about it. It's all done in good humor because it's an action, comedy, romance, entertaining, quintessential entertaining film. तो ऐसा बहुत कुछ है फिल्म में, बहुत ऐसे डायलॉग बाजी है, taking instances and making a fool of yourself. So hopefully that we also get a reaction in theaters.
मेरे सीने में दिल नहीं जिगर है और वो भी कभी टूटता नहीं है. That is quite a filmy statement as well that you make. You enjoyed that?
Well, that is actually what summarizes the character well. कि मेरे सीने में दिल नहीं दोस्त जिगर है जिगर और ये कभी टूटता नहीं. So it's somebody who is Besharam, who is fearless, who's not scared of society. His heart doesn't break easily. He's a large-hearted guy. So that actually really, describes the character well.
Ranbir, we've taken some questions from your fans. This is Purba Mukherjee, who's your favorite co-star from Kolkata. Purba from Kolkata.
Hi Purba. Male co-star would be my father, that I worked with him in Besharam, and female co-star would be my mother, that I worked in Besharam.
You've said in an interview that your father becomes the character, and that is something that, and I think that is exactly what you have done in this film as well. You have become the character.
Well, I don't know if I have become, but I got the opportunity first time to work with my father. He's been my favorite actor, and when I was working with him, I was wondering, he's not doing anything. Everything is looking so natural and effortless, but he puts in so much effort in his mind for it to look effortless and natural. That was really a good learning experience for me. He never ever gave me the feeling that he's intimidating or he's my father or he knows more than me or he's such a big personality. I think when he came on set, he just became the character, and we individually liked our parts so much that we just surrendered to the characters and to the movie.
Pradyuman from Delhi. Can you tell us something about the film starring you and Deepika, directed by Imtiaz Ali?
Well, that's a film, Pradyuman, that I will start sometime next year. It's tentatively titled Window Seat. It's of course
Window Seat.
It's directed by Imtiaz Ali, who I did Rockstar with. I had a great working relationship with him, and I'm very excited to work with him. Deepika, of course, I have a great off-screen and an on-screen banter with her. So it's very exciting to work with an actor like her. And today she's reached such heights of success that it's so heartwarming to see. So looking forward to that film. I hope that we all three can collaborate well and really do something interesting together.
Great.